Hey everybody, it's Mr. Francis, and this is the video for our final chapter, chapter 6, thermochemistry. Okay, so we're going back to chemical reactions again, but now we're adding in the aspect of heat. And what role does heat play in a chemical reaction? So there is a lot of terminology in this chapter that I want you to pay attention to. Whether a reaction is exothermic or endothermic, uh, kinetic energy, internal energy, potential energy, Q, which is our symbol for heat, enthalpy. Read up on those. Find the definitions. Know what each one is talking about. The other aspect of this chapter is the calculations that we're doing. And there are a number of them. Calculating heat using specific heat of a system, of a substance for the calculation. What the value of Q tells us if a reaction is exothermic or endothermic. The relationship between Q and enthalpy and the change in enthalpy. Hess's law, and using standard enthalpies of formation. The calculations are very straightforward, and as you follow through those, you will see that in there, and you'll actually see that also in the lab exercise, calculating the enthalpy of a reaction. So keep everything straightforward. Keep the numbers there, the measurements, because you have those sources, and everything's going to be given to you. Okay. So again, don't really want to go too much into extended, because then the video just takes too long. But again, kind of focus on the terminology that we note in the chapter. Focus on the calculations that you see in the chapter with that. One other thing, a reminder with this chapter, all the assignments, the quizzes, the exam, the laboratory, those are all due Sunday, May 10th at 11:59 p.m. The final for this course, which I'm going to talk about again more next week, starts on May 12th and runs to May 14th. Okay, you have a 3-day window that you can complete the final for this course. There will be no extensions in terms of completing work, so please note that. Okay, that's all I've got. I'll have a couple announcements tomorrow, just reminding you about quizzes reopening. Take care, keep up the good work, and I'll talk to you later.